Hello, hello. A very warm welcome back to the channel, everyone. I am Alex.
And I am Bella. We are so happy to see you again here on Ready Talk. This is the place where we have easy, friendly conversations to help you practice your English.
We're two teachers, but more importantly, we are best friends who love to chat about travel and life.
That's right. Our goal is to help you listen to natural English that is easy to understand. We want you to feel like you are sitting right here with us, maybe having a delicious cup of Vietnamese coffee.
If you find our conversations helpful, please take a moment to click the subscribe button below. It really helps our channel grow and helps us reach more students who want to learn English.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Are you ready for today's topic, Alex?
I am. Today, we are talking about a beautiful country that we both love very much. Today, we are talking about our favorite place in Vietnam. So, Bella, Vietnam is a very long country with so many different landscapes. If you had to pick just one favorite place, where would it be?
Oh, that is such a difficult question, Alex. I love the whole country. But if I must choose, my heart belongs to Hoi An.
Hoi An is beautiful. But before we talk about the middle of the country, let's talk about the north. Have you ever been to Ha Long Bay?
Yes, I have. It is famous all over the world. I remember taking a boat trip there. The water is green and there are thousands of tall limestone islands.
It is like a movie scene. We call those islands karsts.
I remember sleeping on a boat. It was so quiet at night. But my favorite place in the north is actually Sapa.
Sapa is in the mountains, right?
Yes, it is very high up. The air is cool and fresh. Sometimes it is even cloudy and foggy, which feels very romantic.
What do you see when you look at the mountains in Sapa?
The rice terraces, they look like green stairs going up to the sky. It is amazing how the farmers grow rice on the side of a mountain.
I went trekking there last year. My legs were very tired, but the view was worth it. I even saw some water buffalo.
You mentioned the center of Vietnam earlier. You know I love Hoi An Ancient Town. Why do you think it is so popular?
I think it is the lanterns. At night, the whole town is filled with colorful silk lanterns. There are no cars in the center, so you can just walk and relax.
And the yellow buildings. Every house is painted a bright, warm yellow. It feels like stepping back in time.
I love the food there. Have you tried khao lao?
Oh yes, the thick noodles and the tasty pork. You can only find the real khao lao in Hoi An because they use water from an ancient local well.
That is a cool fact. Near Hoi An is the city of Da Nang. I think that is my favorite place.
Really? Why Da Nang?
Because it has everything. It has a beautiful beach called Mai Key Beach, and it has big modern bridges. Have you seen the Dragon Bridge?
Yes, the bridge that looks like a giant gold dragon. And on the weekends, the dragon actually breathes fire and sprays water.
Exactly. It's a bit scary, but very funny to see everyone get wet. Da Nang feels very energetic and clean.
I also love the Marble Mountains in Da Nang. You can climb the stairs and see the whole city and the ocean.
Now, we cannot talk about Vietnam without talking about Ho Chi Minh City.
Most people call it Saigon. It is the biggest city in Vietnam. It is so busy.
There are millions of motorbikes. Sometimes it feels like a sea of bikes on the road.
Crossing the street in Saigon is a sport. You have to walk slowly and let the bikes move around you.
I love the energy there. There are so many cafes and tall buildings like Landmark 81. It's the tallest building in Vietnam.
It is very modern, but if you want something quiet in the south, where do you go?
I go to the Mekong Delta. It is the rice bowl of Vietnam. There are so many rivers and canals.
I love the floating markets. People sell fruit and vegetables directly from their boats.
It is very interesting. You can buy a fresh pineapple or a coconut right on the water. The people there are very kind and friendly.
We forgot one place. If you want to sit on the sand and look at the blue ocean, where do you go?
Phu Quoc Island. It's in the very south of Vietnam.
I went there for my holiday last year. The water is so clear you can see your toes.
I love the seafood there. We had a barbecue on the beach at sunset. It was the best fish I ever ate.
Phu Quoc is also famous for pepper and fish sauce. The island has a very special smell because of the pepper farms.
It is a true paradise. It's the perfect place to finish a long trip through Vietnam.
Alex, let's help our students with some words we use to describe these places.
Good idea. We used landscape. That means the natural scenery of a place, mountains, rivers, or fields.
We used ancient. This means something is very, very old, like the buildings in Hoi An.
We mentioned trekking. That's a long, difficult walk, usually in the mountains or the countryside.
And we used terrace, like the rice terraces in Sapa, which are flat areas cut into the side of a hill.
For beginners, a great way to practice is to use the phrase, "My favorite place is because."
Exactly. My favorite place is Ha Long Bay because it is beautiful. Keep your sentences short and simple.
Bella, do you remember when we tried to ride a motorbike together in Dalat?
Oh no, Dalat is in the mountains, so the roads go up and down.
I was driving, and you were sitting on the back holding on for your life.
You were going too fast, Alex, and then we got lost. We were looking for a waterfall, but we ended up at a strawberry farm.
Well, the strawberries were delicious. That's the best thing about Vietnam. Even when you get lost, you find something amazing to eat.
That is true, and the people are always happy to help you find your way back.
I think my dream is to buy a small house in Hoi An and just eat pho every day.
You would get very bored of pho after a month, Alex.
Never. I could eat Vietnamese food forever. Alex, why do you think so many people want to visit Vietnam?
I think it is the balance. You have the big, modern cities, and then you have the quiet, natural beauty.
And the culture is very rich, from the traditional clothes like the Ao Dai to the history of the kings.
But for me, the best part is the hospitality. Hospitality means how friendly and welcoming the people are to guests.
I agree. Even if you don't speak Vietnamese, people will smile and try to help you.
It is a wonderful country to practice your English too, because many young Vietnamese people want to talk to you and practice their English with you.
Well, Bella, talking about Vietnam has made me very hungry for some spring rolls.
Me too. Let's go find a Vietnamese restaurant for lunch.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation today. We hope it helped you learn more about this beautiful country.
What about you? Have you ever been to Vietnam, or do you want to go? What is your favorite place?
Please tell us in the comments. We love to read your travel stories. It's a great way for you to practice your English writing.
And if you found this video helpful, please give us a like. It really helps ReadyTalk reach more students around the world.
And if you haven't yet, please click the subscribe button below. Join our community and let's explore the world through English together.
Thank you for practicing with us today. You are doing a fantastic job with your English.
We will see you in the next video with another fun topic.
Until then, keep practicing and keep dreaming of travel.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.